Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into professional English, starting your workday right. We'll practice together with a fun 4-step method. I'll say a sentence, then my friend repeats it slowly, then I say it again, and finally they say it normally. It's great for improving your speaking and listening. So if you're ready to sound confident at work, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's go. Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
Time to kick off your day with a smile.
Time to kick off your day with a smile.
Time to kick off your day with a smile.
Time to kick off your day with a smile.
Remember to stay positive and calm.
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 First, check your emails quickly.
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 I need coffee, stat.
I need coffee, stat.
I need coffee, stat.
I need coffee, stat.
What's on the agenda today?
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 Make a list of tasks today.
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 Don't forget to greet your team.
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 I barely slept 8 hours.
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 Let's check our team calendar.
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 My inbox is already wild.
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 Any urgent items overnight?
Any urgent items overnight?
Any urgent items overnight?
Any urgent items overnight?
I'm starting with the reports.
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 Did you see the latest memo?
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 Meeting at 11:30.
Meeting at 11:30.
Meeting at 11:30.
Meeting at 11:30.
Focus time starts right now.
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 Let's crush this short week.
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 I'll check in after lunch.
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 Time for serious work now.
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 Set goals that are clear and simple.
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 Check your calendar for meetings.
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 Good luck with your project.
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 And that's how you start strong. Thanks for practicing with us today. Keep these phrases handy and your mornings will shine. Don't forget, subscribe and like for more fun lessons. See you next time.